Yo, bro.
How are you?
You know, some dog in the town run back a Burger King and start chill out.
In the town? What mean in the town too, man? Yo, something I want pre more show you. More show you pre. Me I call link you right now.
Alright. Yeah, man, just link me, man. Me there, man. You just wait for me till I forward. Alright, cool. Yeah, man.
What going bad, bro?
There. Yeah. I want to make you just call me all the time, blue, so.
The bee when me see a cut cross up the hill there.
Yo, what you trying to see me a cut cross with you, man?
Yo, me see you, man. I want to link up for your girl, man. Oh, you move, so, man.
Yeah, man, a simple 1, 2, 3 that, man. I can't make a link for you, man. But guess what? You see, when I make a link, I just want you to take one and go. And guess what? It's that girl, and I want a normal girl, and everybody girl. So I don't want you go and like say you take a one out of it and you want to go and like say you want to marry to her, you know. Because I know if your thing come down, when you get a one touch out of one girl, you go and like say a wife, you want a wife you.
I understand what you say still, you know. But me general, if you understand this, I just peace, me don't want one. I just want a peace of it. The girl, I know say everybody girl, but the girl look good, so I say, I just want to feel peace. Yeah, more you set me up, man, do. Because, you know me not wife up that. Because everybody run through it, I just want to taste peace of it.
Alright, no but say it, man. A simple 1, 3 that, man. So I just want to make a link for you and you do what you have to do. Zane?
So me know say you're real, bro, see.
Alright, so me just show
So
it.
when you make a link, today?
Yeah, man, tell them you make a link, man.
No.
Alright, do what you do. Me just go and chill right just until you come out, Zane.
Alright, I'm going to get a pack of boots. Remember, no, today.
Alright, hang your business.
Yeah. Yo, bro.
Yo, who that?
I'm here, man, Popeye.
Alright, push it over and come, man.
Boy, me I tell you, bro. Me I tell you. Yo, me have to rate you. Me way up here, now. Me link up with mom today, once. I tell you, boy. So, the reason why I call it still, you know, I something important I really want to tell you right, you know. Because you see, that girl right, you know, she very special to me right, you know. Me have a Lego water in her belly. So, me don't want you...
Hold on, bro. You really mean to, after me reason with you and show you fullness, brother, say, everybody, girl, you really going to tell me, say, you have to go raw dog with the girl? So you going to tell me, say, a relationship need now?
Of course. Me and her make an agreement. We are officially in a relationship. She's going to carry my child. So, the reason why me call you and come here, say, you know, and because I want a top texter. Because listen, me know, remember say everybody girl to you, but what everybody girl is a goal for me. For me, one time, me see something in her, me see future in her, me don't know what you see in her. So, you have to understand.
You know, so me lose half of you though. I know me realize you know used to man. Because a girl like a them there, I don't know, wife type material, a girl we just belong to the community. You know community bicycle? Yeah. I mean, I not really discriminate against her, I mean, I really this don't woman. But me just make you know say I don't want a wife type woman.
I'm glad you mentioned community bicycle, but listen, not every community bicycle is the same. You can't fix it up, render it down, spray it over, and set it on you have it for yourself. So, if you want a wife for you, a treasure to me. So, I don't want you to text her, you know, because I'm a jealous type. I don't want the friendship break. So, don't bother her, please. I'm not a woman now.
You know what? I think the best thing for you do, I go on home and sleep off you. Go on home, man, go on home.
I'm in love. I'm in love.
Yo, Ashley, stop the man. Stop the man. Give me a minute, man. Stop the man.
Where you touch me for don't touch
no,
me.
Man, stop the man, stop.
You know see me and Papa
Hold on, man, stop the man. Why make you move, sir?
How me I move?
Yeah, stop it, you know, stop.
You know, say me and your friend are link already, me and Popeye. And I like one time, you know, when you feel like say you can tap me and touch me and feel me up, you know. You have to respect that. You have to respect see me and your friend are linked too. You're back in the days, you're in the past. Me and you know Ashley and you no more.
You're going like say anybody that the whole of we girl.
What ya?
Yeah, you're going like say anybody that the whole of we girl. We carry go yes, so we carry go this, so, and you run something on the whole of we.
Don't bright yourself, you know. Don't bright yourself, but feel that I did one time. This I know, this I know, that was then. I am me and Popeye's wife to be. Respect that the policy there. Don't come touch me when I see me, don't feel me up, no do that. A different time.
Hey, idiot, girl, go ahead. You think man why you? What you feel like? What you feel like?
Hey, idiot boy, are you figure? You want me, that say they run me down, that say they tap me and I try to touch me.
Yo,
not touch me, I bunny you.
Go on.
Not see me and deal with me. Idiot boy. Right.
Yeah, man, baby, you're the best thing ever happened to me.
Yeah?
See how I carry my youth here. I give you some roses. You deserve roses, and no, baby. You deserve anything in the world.
Give me a minute there. Give me a minute.
How you want now?
Come on, I want to talk to you, man. Come on.
Hold on there, yeah, baby.
Alright.
Not take long. Where I say now, bro?
Yo, after you tell me say you like a girl and you're a girl there, I can't believe say this idiot girl you still a chat to, brother.
Idiot? You can call my woman idiot? You tell my future wife that. Baby mother, how much time I tell her? I tell her say what trash to you, a treasure to me. What she do for me right now is a blessing. She carry my youth. Me and your friend, but you look like me have a drop your friendship because you come like you know thing.
You really are telling me say you put hoes over bros. Don't tell me that, brother. Don't tell me that. See, you really are gonna mash up a friendship over one woman. Tell me the truth. That you really are do?
Seems like you now remember what's going on right now. The whore got the goal. So if you work with it, if you want to talk to me, fine, but me now left my goal. You can't got gold and throw it away for silver. Why you doing that?
That you really are say?
What you mean?
Yo, the friendship done. Friendship done.
Alright, anything you say now.
Friendship done.
But me now left my woman because of my friend. But come on, baby. Me go back and water baby head. Yes, me love you. Why?
Remember to subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when Spoonie upload brand new content. Alright, so at this end of this video, we want to say that for me personally as an individual and for all the persons who are around me, we all respect females. So even though you see we portray certain things in a movie, we are just highlighting what exists in society. You understand what I say? But at the end of the day, we love and we respect females, and this just goes to show you that some of these scenarios play out in a real life, but don't take it too serious. It's just skit, it's just movie, and we just express ourselves on camera. So guys, please remember, respect your females. We can't afford to lose them like how we say a lot of females are losing life nowadays. It don't look good. You understand? So just be positive while we continue to put out more content for you guys. So big up on yourself. Respect the females.